Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'll walk you through an design exhibition facilitated by the Italian Embassy in Bangalore, which was hosted by Bangalore International Center. And this exhibition happened last week. Sadly, this is over by now, so whoever is planning over, so please don't go there. It's me Anshuman, and I've been exploring design since 2009 when I started my design journey from NIFT and then whatnot. I have already made a video specifically on my design journey and career, so you can check that out. And many of you have reached out on Instagram to make a visit if it's possible. So we have done it. So grab your virtual tickets and let's get this walkthrough started. A journey through Italian industrial design, creativity, and expertise. We had to pay nothing to enter. We simply walked in, not even registration or something was required. The product range displayed were from Alps to the beaches and everything in between. For example, travel gears. And I was surprised that when it comes to sports gear, Decathlon is a brand which comes in front of our mind. But I was amazed that Italian brands are so much into these kind of products, which are very specialty and require so much of R&D to come up with such kind of industrial design, mass manufactured products. Well, this means that Italy is not known for only pastas and pizzas. There were few visitors when we reached there, and we got pleasant surprise by bumping into one of my office colleague out there. What a pleasant surprise. Well, it was good to see known faces, but I was expecting some more alumni from NID, IDC, and other design fraternity. But maybe they were here on some other day, and since it was the last day, that's why the crowd was not much. So here is the scoop, my design tribe. This exhibition is like a mirror, reflecting our human desires to create, innovate, and connect. Industrial design is not just about creating chairs, lamps, or creating wow pieces that tell stories with every curves and contours. Rather, it's about celebrating life, culture, and imagination. Well, how's that for a deep dive? Maybe I can take that up in the next video. Let me know in the comments what topic you want to see in the upcoming videos. I'll try my best to share my take here. That's a wrap on this small yet beautiful design exhibition. I was expecting a bit more extensive range of displays, but hey, we generally don't get to see industrial design exhibition here in Bangalore or in India. There are some decor and lifestyle related exhibitions happening in Delhi, but Bangalore, it's a rare event. So thank you Italian Embassy and Bangalore International Center to curate this for design community here in Bangalore. Thanks again. So don't forget to like and subscribe this channel because this is pretty new one. I'm exploring what topics to bring on this channel. I know many of you are connected already on Instagram. I would like to extend my content sharing appetite on YouTube as well for design, 3D printing and design thinking related topics. So see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.